Wait, question lang
Go.
Since we're talking about finances, what are your thoughts pag, halimbawa, like the Carlos Yulo issue, if your parents are managing your finances, yung mga sweldo nyo, sa kanila na pupunta, hindi mo makakontrol, anong thoughts nyo doon? Okay lang kayo or what?
I think you have to function within the laws of the country, probably.
Yes.
Kasi kung, let's say, again, hindi ko masyado alam yung history na to, but kung lahat ng perang kinikita niya was before of legal age, then wala tayong magagawa. Kapit talaga ng magulang mo yon. Pero kung adult na siya, legal age na siya, tapos kinakapitan pa rin, I think it's an internal thing na kung ganun Diba?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hirap nga, no? Isipin mo, no?
And I feel like this should also be a lesson to the parents out there, hindi lang sa mga anak or sa mga anak nila, but also sa mga parents na sana naman we should consider doing things the right way. Kumbaga, ganun lang talaga. And siguro, hindi porket anak mo pwede, parang hindi mo respetuhin yung finance niya, hindi
Tama.
mo respetuhin kung ano yung...
Kasi siya yung nagtrabaho.
Oo. So parang respect lang talaga at the end of the day kasi tao din yung anak mo Hindi naman yan...
Ako, sa experience ko, meron akong money na binibigay sa mom ko para itago niya.
So parang siyang piggy bank.
Savings.
Parang
Oo.
savings, yeah.
Kasi alam ko, pag binigay ko sa mom ko yung money na, hindi talaga magagalaw yun. And parang strategy ko siya para hindi ko siya magastos. So may mga ganun
Yep.
din.
That's a good side din, a
Ah.
good way of doing that. And there's also other stories that I've heard na parang yung magulang nila super strict sa pera. High earner, ganda ng trabaho, pero young, mga 18, right? Alam ba, sa showbiz, child actor, you never know. But they're so strict, and then eventually when they grow up, ang dami nilang savings. Na comfortable na sila sa buhay. So siguro, ibang side naman yun kung tingnan mo na parang, uy, okay din na pala strict si na mama nun
Good
dati.
job to the parents.
Yes,
Very
good
kasi
job.
they manage the
Investment yun for
finances
the future.
well. Kaya talagang, I feel like you have to be open
Tsaka,
Communicate lang talaga.
base naman sa mga kwento natin, we're all lucky to have parents that are very respectful din, that are very understanding of our situation.